Welcome back to the Kayak 2.0, 34-inch wide, 11-foot long kayak. So now I'm gonna put a little wood in the stern. So let's put a little bit of, I got that piece of fit there. We'll put a little bit of glue on this here. We'll rub it back and forth, make sure it fits really good. Maybe even take a so I'm concentrating on doing this, so of course I can't think. Put a little adhesive on it. And it looks like a C-clamp. It's too bad I didn't figure out how to do this when I was much younger. My dad would have loved this. Alright. So we chisel this out so it'll get over this piece here. Start putting a little bit of wood in our transom. I'll drop you down a little bit. And just leave it here. So, and I'll put some more wood up here. So when I get ready to do the back, I can put a piece of wood in the back of it and then fill in around it. And that way, this is connected to that and transfers the energy from the transom here all the way through the kayak. So if you have a a trolling motor on it, it's not going to crack or damage the kayak in any way. Or if whatever else you might want to do, you might want to have put a ladder back here for entry, but I'm probably going to put a rudder on it because it is a fat yak, and I actually would like to put a sail on it. So I'm thinking about a spot to put a dagger board up here where I can take in and out, and it'll be out of the way. Of course, fiberglass the hole in it. Those may be pipe drains, but we'll see. As we move along, I'll see how I feel, and I may get really close to finishing it and flounder season pops up, so, oh, I gotta go fishing. Who knows? We'll see. But that's where we're going. That's where we're going right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and run my last course of this course of styrofoam here. I don't think you need to, watch that on video, but what you do is you can hold it right about where you think it needs to be, right there, where it needs to be here. Put your pin under here, or something like this right here, and then scratch it, and cut that, and then cut this piece across here like that, and just go on from there. So I'm not gonna bore you with that part. I am gonna keep you abreast of everything else it takes to build this. Now you don't have to do all this. You don't have to put the wood in there. You don't have to put the wood in the base. Once you bring it up, if you bring it up another course, like 3 rows high of this, then your skags on the bottom, you'll be fine. But I'm gonna go the other direction. And I don't want a really high side on it, but I'm gonna put some deep skags on it so it'll track real good. The last kayak did really, really well, and I would have kept it, but I forgot to put in anchor trolley mounts in the side, and I wanted that, but I didn't want to go back and cut it out and then have ugly spots to patch up. I just didn't want to do that. And plus there was a Vietnam veteran that was interested in it, so I let him have it for the actual cash I put into it, not the hours. I didn't charge him anything for that. All right, thank y'all. Kayak 2.0, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.